Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is a video about the TLM price prediction. Okay, TLM price prediction. You see, I posted the video about the price prediction on the April 13th 2021, and thank you for the views. I got a lot of views here, but actually I wasn't looking for the views. Main thing was the content. I wanted to let you know guys about the Alien Worlds TLM price prediction. So you see, back then on the 13th of April there were it was ranked at 213. Right now, let me change it. Right now it's ranking at 256, and if we go back, and here we had 21,808 people were involved, and right now it is almost 13,000, 14,000 people have increased after that time within 16 days. Today's, you see, 26th of April, and at that time the price was 0.7259, and right now the price is 0.2667. and also the thing is, we can see the market cap was 90 million, and now the market cap is almost, you see, 90 into 90, you can see 2.5 times more than the previous time. And if we look at the volume at that time, if we look at the volume was around $7 million. So $7 million was the volume, and right now it's, if we look here, yeah, 7 million. Now right now the volume is 43 million. So 7 into 7, 42. It almost increased by 7 times. Actually the volume is the most important thing, so it means a lot of accumulation is going on, and we know that the farming is also going on the Binance, and it's going to continue till 5th. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. On the 9th day, which is on the 5th of May, the farming is going to end, and after that the free coins, those coins which have been staked, the BUSD, BNB have been staked to get some free TLM and Alien Worlds coins, and that would be end by 5th of May. Now here's the one thing, the important thing, the circulating supply. You can see it is right now 828 million, okay, which was previously 124 million. So the supply has increased by 7%. You can see it was 1% supply at that time, and now it's 8%. So more supply is now in circulation. So it means that if we look at the total supply, yeah, total maximum almost the same. If we look at the supply, you see the supply demand zone. The supply demand concept is, the more the supply, the less the price. But here's the thing, when this supply is gonna increase to 100, the total amount will be in circulation. But for now, what is going to happen is, more the supply, the less the price, but more volume is required to push the price upward. That's the concept. So we need some good volume, then we can push the price, then TLM coins price can be pushed up. And for now it is listed on Binance, Gate, MXC, Hoodies. So now I'm going to let you know about the technical analysis. That was the fundamentals, that was the the comparison, before and after comparison of the price. But this is going to be the technical analysis as well. So let me check the videos. Yeah, it's running. So let me tell you, because it was first listed on MXC exchange. You can see here I have, you see, because the price went so down, you can see here because it was listed on, you see it down there, it was listed on 6th April, but on Binance it was listed on 13th of April, so we had almost a week before. So I can say that this is a good chart to, so we can predict the price. So we have to look for the price at a very less time frame, so that you can have better idea. If we go to the, for now, if I'm going to let you know, okay, here is a 1 hour chart. I'm going to predict the price on the 1 hour chart. Here you can see, if we look at this range, okay, the price went down, went up here, rejected, again rejected from the support, again rejected from the resistance, again rejected from the support, then again went up and again rejected, and it went down, forming a new support here. And you see how the price is moving. It's moving like you see, let me draw trend line. You can see how it's moving. It's moving down here. You see here. You can also make an you can see, you can draw like this as well. Okay, you see it's like a downtrend. It's been downtrend since the day of listing, due to the forming as well. But for now, if you want to day trade the TLM coin, I have some zones which I have drawn here. You can see the lowest it can go was 0.59. see, 0.59 was the lowest it went, 1959. okay, and it was rejected twice from this zone. You see here, it was rejected twice from this zone, went up and again went down, and was rejected from this zone. And what happened afterwards, it tested, it was tested at this level, and you can see here it was rejected first time, but after touching the bottom, it just tested this rejection, this resistance one time, then this was the second time. So we have two rejections at this level, and also you see after crossing this level, this one, okay, after crossing this level, it has formed a new support at here, which is 0.2323. so what I am expecting right now, because you see from here, if we look at here, this was the previous swing high, this went down, okay, forming a new support, then went up, forming another low swing high, then the swing high next was almost the same, then again price went down, and after that it broke through this area, and the price went up straight, and it was the new swing high. You see, the new swing high was created. The chart is kind of messy, sorry for that, and let me clear that for you guys so that you can look better. If I disable this, let me also disable this as well, so you can have better idea. And also let me disable this EMAs for now. So see here, this zone became the accumulation zone, and this was the lowest. Now you see here, it has formed two new resistance areas, and it formed a great, you see, a good spot here. You see, it was rejected perfectly, making this, you see here, this was the resistance, and after it crossed above here, it went down, forming a good spot, and the SNR was flipped. Now it is a support zone, and support zone is at 2323. okay, now right now it is again in the accumulation zone. We can draw another level here. If we go here, and let me draw this one, yeah, this is also a good zone as well. So it is accumulating at let me draw this as well. You see, this is in accumulation zone. It is testing this zone. You see wicks, how many wicks up at this level, how many wicks are touching, trying to break this level. You see, it's trying to break this level. Once this level is broken, we can say that to 0.26 level can be broken, and we can move up to 0.29 level for now. And because it is also rejected twice, and I'm expecting the price to move to this point 0.3355, sorry. This zone is also a good zone. So you see how the price is gonna behave. For now, it is going to move up in cycles. First we have to, you see, let me draw this one. First we have to test this level. If it gets rejected, then the price is again gonna come down here. Then again the price is going to break this level and gonna go to test this rejection, and then forming a new swing, a low, no new low low, no new high low, making this level as a support. Then what would be the next move? Next move would be here, this one. Okay, that's how the trend is going to be set. And if we go up back in the day, we can see here this is another resistance as well. So this is the movement I am expecting. You see this level is gonna be tested, and after that, so it's gonna move like this. This is the upward movement. That's how price is gonna move up. So if we go, and that would be 0.413, and approximation of, you can see 55% is expected, because this level is only tested once, okay, after breaking through this level. So if I go to the 4-hour chart, let me tell you something. This is the main area. Why I tell that 0.413 is the main resistance. This is a major resistance. Why? Because you can see the price, it started from this price, you see, and a lot of rejections. You see here, you can see here, okay, main point. This is the main zone. So for now we need to break. For in coming days we need, if the price went like this in the uptrend, this would be the major resistance, 0.413. So, and after that the price is gonna if the price breaks this resistance, then we can form a strong support here as well. So this would be the base price in the coming days, and then we're gonna be in the uptrend. Now if we look at this chart, if we move a bit up, the next move would be this area. That would be perfect zone as well, this one, 0.6. so I'm drawing these levels as a, you see it, zones. These are the zones or the levels where you can take your profit, and if you want to move out of the trade, you can do this. So this next one, 0.8. so it's gonna take a while. You see, if it goes like this, this can make a good cup shape here. If we go like this, you can see that would be like this one. Okay, you see how it's gonna make some cup, and after that we're gonna bounce back to this level, and from there we can move up. This one is a base, and that's how the price is gonna go in the future, see, and that requires a lot of good volume here. Okay, the next move would be like this one. Let me tell you, the price is gonna go up, then it's gonna go back to test this level as a support, and then we're going to be in this parabolic move again here, $1.5. okay, then again this is going to continue like this, and the price is gonna again go back to this parabolic as well. You can see this one again, and this is the major one. If it continues like this, the price is going to reach above, but that's gonna take a lot of volume to break now. But for now, what you have seen, that I have given you the 1-hour chart targets, so you can see where the price is gonna go in the future. But that totally depends on the volume. So this was the video and on the TLM Alien Words price prediction. I hope you have got what I wanted to let you know, guys. This was a technical analysis video, and that's it, guys. Take care. Bye.